Hello friends, I'm super excited today because my daughter will be 5 years tomorrow. So I made her this lovely cupcakes to accompany her main cake, and I decided to share my buttercream recipe with you. I used the buttercream recipe I'll be teaching you today to decorate this beautiful cake for her. As you can see, it's looking so yummy and delicious. The amazing thing about this buttercream recipe is that you could actually add a little water or milk to adjust it if you want it to be softer, or you can add a little bit of icing sugar to make it stronger. It just depends on the consistency that you want. Like in this video, I actually added a little bit of water, some drops of water, to make it lighter, to be able to decorate these cupcakes, just as you can see. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, food, and business. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the notification bell so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. This buttercream recipe requires only 4 ingredients: your icing sugar, margarine, water, and any flavor of your choice. In this case, I used coconut flavor because I love coconut. The full recipe is in the description box below. In a clean bowl, turn in the butter and cream for about 3 minutes. This will help the butter to soften a bit. Next, after 3 minutes, pour in half of the sieved icing sugar into the bowl and cream for about 3 minutes. The full video on how I decorated these lovely cupcakes will be dropping very soon. Make sure you turn on your notification button so that when it drops, you'll be able to watch it. Next, pour in the flavor of your choice and water and cream for about 1 minute. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so that when I post videos, you'll be informed. Next, pour in the remaining icing sugar and cream for about 2 minutes. Feel free to add more drops of water if you want it to be lighter. This buttercream recipe is a game changer and it tastes nice too. So feel free to use any flavor of your choice, and always remember that you can make it lighter by adding more drops of water. To store your buttercream, you can put it in an airtight container, put it in the freezer, and it can last for months. When you're ready to use, bring it out, thaw it, and beat it up, and your buttercream is ready to be used. If you try out this recipe, I'll be glad to hear from you. Kindly drop a comment in the comment section or send me an email. My email is also in the description box below. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. I used this buttercream to decorate these lovely cupcakes for my daughter's birthday tomorrow, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. It's silky. It's the perfect buttercream for you. Just add a little bit of water if you want it to be lighter than this. Thank you all for watching, and do wish my daughter a happy birthday.